Hello. Let's learn 3 indefinite pronouns in Kurmanji. First of them, herkes. Everyone, everybody. Herkes. Herkes. The second one, herteşt. Everything. Herteşt. Her der. Third one, her der. Everywhere. Herkes. Herteşt. Her der. Let's use them. So, herkes her tişti dixwaze. Everyone wants everything. Herkes her tişti dibêje. Everything says everything, anything. Herkes her tişti dibêje. Herkes dixwaze biçe her derê. Everyone wants to go anywhere, everywhere. Her tişt gelekî xweş e. Everything is fine, very good. Her der germ e. Everywhere is hot. Her der germ.